All right, everybody, we're in Dearborn, Michigan. So George and I are on a business trip, but we have to come to the Henry Ford Museum in Dearborn, Michigan. And one thing I noticed right outside, this does look like Independence Hall. We actually walked in at first, and it's got the blue paint. So take a look. What do you think? But this is going to be an extensive vlog. It's going to be just a couple minutes of a few things, but we're off to the factory tour. See what's going on. So here we are at the Kennedy Limousine where John F. Kennedy was assassinated. And that's exactly where he would have been sitting right there. And that is where Secret Service Agent Clint Hill jumped on the back of the car. The original cost of the car was $200,000 to build. And the crazy fact is, with Kennedy, once the assassination happened, they actually cleaned the back of the car and cleaned the seats very quickly. They didn't know what they were doing back then. There was no crime scene investigation, but this is a better shot of where John F. Kennedy was on that side over there. And 2 years after the assassination, they put this bubble top on. It cost $500,000 to modify this. And when they did, it was a midnight blue in color, and they painted it black. But now you can see a better shot of where JFK would have been on that tragic day in Dallas. Pretty amazing. Well, we made it to the Lincoln Assassination Chair. This was the chair in Ford's Theater where Lincoln was assassinated in. A lot of people say that's blood up there. That is not blood, that is hair grease. And there is some blood found on the chair, but when Lincoln's last words were, "I don't think she minds," when Mary Todd grabbed his hand, and that was his last words in reference to Clara Harris sitting in the booth. But that is the chair where Lincoln was shot. Fun little side note, we all were in one of these in the 80s, weren't we?